Hi Raj sir. So
Hi.
this is your first full-fledged gangster role. So was there any inspiration behind carrying this role? And were there are many veterans who have carried the gangster role in Bollywood. So was there any inspiration you took to prepare for this role?
No, not really. Not from any actor, I would say, that actor who has played a character like this. It was all from our imagination only, the world that Pulkit created, in his writing. It was very much there. Uh, and whatever we have seen on television, some real people that, the inspiration was from the real people.
Yeah.
And then a lot of it actually comes out from within. When you start reading it again and again, a lot of it, you start seeing the character, you start seeing the body language, the voice, you start hearing it. So it all came from there. So not from any one particular actor, I would say.
राज भाई, मेरा सवाल है, कहीं ना कहीं एक सिमिलैरिटी बनती है मालिक के कैरेक्टर में और आपके कैरेक्टर में। वो बोलते हैं हम पैदा नहीं है तो क्या बन तो सकते हैं। आप इस डायलॉग से कितना वाकिफ होते हैं या कितना एक राब्ता रखते हैं? बिकॉज आप भी बीइंग एन आउटसाइडर, यू केम, यू सॉ, यू कॉन्कर्ड, तो एक तो कहीं ना कहीं तो एक सिमिलैरिटी अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल द मार धाड़ एंड ऑल।
आई थिंक वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं, वो हम सब के लिए लाजमी होता है वो डायलॉग, क्योंकि हम सब जो है सिल्वर स्पून के साथ पैदा नहीं हुए हैं। बहुत सारे 99.99% लोग, तो हम सब में वो काबिलियत है कि अगर हम पैदा नहीं हुए तो भी कोई बात नहीं, हम बन सकते हैं। लव यू ब्रदर। तो ये जो
अरे बोलने दो।
थैंक यू। तो ये डायलॉग जो है, ये सिर्फ मालिक का नहीं है, ये डायलॉग हम सबका, आप सबका है, जो जिंदगी में कुछ करना चाहते हैं, जहां से आए हैं उससे बेहतर बनना चाहते हैं लाइफ में, तो हम सब के लिए ये डायलॉग है जी।
Hi Raj. I want to ask about the last scene which we saw. It looked very intense and scary, and you were in your element. Can you tell something about that scene which you can talk about right now? How many takes did you take?
There weren't too many takes actually. It was I'm a very impulsive actor. I don't really prepare how I'm going to do my scene. I of course think about the situation and the other characters, the environment, but then I just go with the flow. So it was the first take only, and we started doing it, and because once you understand the character, the situation that he or she is in, then it becomes very natural for me. So I was just doing it, and I didn't know what was happening because how close was the camera, and then Pulkit saw it, and he's like, भाई ये कुछ हो गया है, इसको थोड़ा और जमा के करते हैं अभी। I was like, अच्छा क्या हुआ है? Because you don't know, because you're just performing. It's the camera, the technique of it. But then I think we did it, I think 2-3 times. But yeah, I think something happened there. Yeah, it was something that I've also not experienced before as an actor. That to emote so much in a single shot. But yeah, it was all Pulkit. He designed the shot that way. We were supposed to do something else, and he planned it that let's do this one. So yeah, credit goes to him.
Hello, this side. Raj, on your right, I think, yeah. Just wanted to ask the two of you, Boombada spoke about how much he loved, doing this with his younger brother, that is you. And I know that you both of you have a great camaraderie. But for both of you, what was the experience like working with each other? And what was the bond connection, so to speak?
बॉन्ग कनेक्शन तो आपको पता ही है, पत्रलेखा इज द बॉन्ग कनेक्शन।
खाना भी था क्या उसमें या नहीं?
नहीं, इस सेट पे इतना नहीं था, बिकॉज हम दोनों आई थिंक बिकॉज इतना जो कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं वो एक साथ बैठ के खाना खाने वाले लोग हैं नहीं। बट आई थिंक बुम्बादा के साथ काम करके हमेशा बहुत मजा आता है। बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारी स्टोरी सुनी है जिन लोगों ने के साथ काम किया है, एंड दे ऑल हैव ओनली गुड थिंग्स टू से अबाउट हिम। ऑफ कोर्स ही इज phenomenally talented, that we all know, but as a human, as a person, he is such a beautiful soul, and that's what we look for also in actors when we work with them, कि आप अच्छे एक्टर हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है, पर क्या आप अच्छे इंसान भी हो, because वो भी बहुत मायने रखता है। And I'm very glad that he said yes to this film, because it's a character, it's a part that not many people have seen him playing a part like this in past. So I'm very excited for people to see him also in this avatar. बट ऑफ कोर्स बहुत कमाल के एक्टर्स तो हैं ही हमारी फिल्म में, बाकी सब भी, लेकिन बुम्बादा ने स्पेशली जो एक प्यारा सा तड़का लगाया ना इस कैरेक्टर में, दैट इज रियली ब्यूटीफुल।